Right, hello, and I think everything's okay. Right, hello and welcome to the Waters and Stanton video channel. Something a little bit different this time. I'm going to show you some pictures, some factory and promo pictures of the LAB599 TX-500 transceiver. Now, I did an intro video on that transceiver a day or so ago, but I thought it would be rather nice to show you some pictures. It'll give you an impression of just how well built this transceiver is and just the sort of possibilities that it offers. I do intend to do an in-depth video in the next week about my findings on the transceiver. I'm still playing with it at the moment and finding all the things it can do, and it's rather amazing. And it's even, well, they say it's waterproof. I certainly think it's water resistant. They show a photo of water on it, so it's got a lot of possibilities for those that want to get out in the bad weather. Anyway, what I thought I'd do is I'm going to play a few notes on the keyboard as background music. No talking, just show you the pictures of this transceiver so you can see how it's made and the general feel of this military style, rugged yet very compact transceiver. So, the TX-500. Let's do a bit of music. Apologies for any wrong notes.
The TX-500 is a water-resistant 10 watts transceiver covering 160 meters to 6 meters. The TX-500 will be available in September. This fully featured transceiver comes with speaker microphone and all interconnecting leads. Just add 12 volts and an antenna. Waters and Stanton are proud to offer you this radio factory direct with a 2-year warranty. For further details, please check our website.